Hello YouTube, this is David T Reviews, bringing you another video. This evening I'll be talking about travel and the travel chaos that is going around the world now. People being left in lobbies, cancelled flights, delayed flights, etc, etc. How to save money on flights, how to save money on holidays, basically. The quick an easy way to save money is YouTube. So let's just say you want to go to Egypt. Egypt, look. National Geographic. Skip survey. I've seen the pyramids, everybody. And I'm lying on my sofa. I've just seen the pyramids. I say to you, $1,000 or whatever money it costs to go and see the monument there of that Sphinx or whatever it is, you know. Let's see what else. Australia. Oh no. We're going to see the Opera House now. I've gone to Egypt and now I'm going to Australia. I'm doing a tour of the world. Oh, look at that. I'm in Australia now. And I've seen the Opera House in Sydney. I've seen some, I don't know what you call them. Tell me in the comments what you call them. But I've seen Australia, guys. I'm about paying $2 grand, $4 grand to go on a 9, 10, 15, 20 hour flight. You know, guys, where else am I going to go next? Where else am I going to go next, guys? I'm going to go to Paris. Paris. And now I am in Paris, guys.
Paris is a river town, divided into 2 banks by the Seine River.
I am in Paris.
Of the islands in the Seine, to our map.
I've been to Paris, I've been to Egypt, I've been to Australia, Sydney House, in the space of 5 minutes. I've done all this without spending thousands and thousands and thousands of pounds lying on my sofa in the comfort of my own home, not spending a penny, not spending a single penny on delayed flights, cancelled flights, packed flights, long flights. I am saving you guys money and hassle and letting you travel from giving you travel tips, convenient travel tips to save you money, stress and time. Where are we going next, guys? Where are we going next? Let's go to Venice. Let's go to Venice. I've always wanted to go to Venice, but why go to Venice when you could just type it in YouTube? Then, yes, Italy.
In this video, we show you 10 best things to do in Venice. The suggestions are based on our exciting trip to this unique historic city. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel.
And now the last place I want to visit, the only place that I'm really interested in is Japan. I've been to the city in
land of
Japan
a rising
in
sun.
the space of 5
The
minutes.
city of
guys.
Tokyo.
Anyway,
mountains
I hope you like my travel tips and how to save money on travel. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Places to visit.